Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another video. So on this video we have a 2006 Chevy 1500 5.3 long bed that is now ready to be sold. Obviously guys, it's a clean title. It's got about 136,000 miles on it. Absolutely gorgeous of a truck. Yeah, I can't wait to show it to you guys. So again, if you have any questions regarding the vehicle, please feel free to reach out at 909-457-5500. You want to see more pictures on the actual truck, visit our webpage, www.drivecarsmart.com. And remember guys, to click on the video description, as you will see some information there. Also see if it's sold or not, or if it's available, okay? Because things do change. So yeah, here we go guys. 06 5.3 Silverado 1500. Here we go. All right, absolutely gorgeous. So the vehicle, tires wise, it's got the Firestone destinations. These are, believe, tire size, hard to read. Yeah, I can't read it from here. So anyways, but yeah, Firestone destination, LE3s all the way around, okay? There's good tire life remaining. You got a nice tinted windows on the doors and in the back mirror or back window, okay? So you have an 8-foot bed, okay? This is regular gas, okay, unleaded, okay? It does have a plastic, well not plastic, but it's a hard rubber cover, okay, for that you don't damage the actual bed, okay? We have a nice tow hitch, okay? So you got a nice tow package. Look at that, guys. Cool. All right, so now let's take a look at the inside. So this is the, I believe this is the LS model, which is no power windows, no power door locks. Okay. Beautiful, nice tan cloth interior. So it's like a two-tone. You got leather or vinyl, and then you have your nice cloth, okay? Daytime running lights, okay? And obviously automatic, okay? And you do have a power stop for whenever you are going to tow, okay? All right, nice headliner, nice and clean, okay? You got a nice center console storage and a first aid kit in the back. All right, this is the driver's door. All right, so now let's show you the opposite side. Here is a passenger door. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment. All right, so here's the engine bay. Okay, so you have a 5.3 V8. And remember guys, on none of our vehicles are we ever going to wash the engine. We'll go ahead and clean the plastics, okay? The noticeable plastics. Aside from that, we're going to give you the car looking normal but running good. We don't spray these engines with water or any chemicals. Why? Because we just don't want to harm the engine. Okay, so I'd rather give it to you looking normal and running good than, you know, engine looking beautiful but running like you know what. So you know, if you want to wash your engine, or you know, whatever, that's buy it first, or any car, you know, then you could go from there. But this is our policy. All right, perfect. And I think the tire size are 245/70/17. Okay, so you have a Firestone destination all the way around. Okay, cool. So oh, the tailgate obviously does open. It does not have a lock, so, or some people call it the deck lid, right? Nice and heavy. Okay, and there you go, guys. Beautiful 2006 Silverado 1500 that is now ready to be sold. Okay, has an 8-foot bed and obviously clean title. And remember, guys, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000-mile limited powertrain service contract. That is for engine, transmission, differentials. Okay, that's on the house. So yeah, but you can always upgrade for longer term or different coverages. And you can also, we can provide you with all that information when you reach out to us. But cool, guys, I hope you enjoy this vehicle. We do have some interceptors being detailed as we speak, so they're gonna start coming out, so in the next hopefully soon, and we'll start making our videos and so on. Okay, guys, well, I thank you for giving me your time, and thanks for watching. Consider hitting the subscribe button, and consider hitting the like button for more cool people like yourself to actually find these vehicles. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and have a blessed rest of day. Thanks. Bye.